Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to My Healthy Food Quest, where I'll be taking you on a culinary adventure through the foods that I love to cook. I personally want to thank you for stopping by. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, that would help the channel grow. Today's recipe comes from Brooklyn Deli, and it's a golden coconut curry Indian simmer sauce. Now, this is a first of its kind. I'm going to be doing something called the back of the label recipes, where I take the recipe that's on the back of a label and I cook it according to the instructions. Stay tuned. I can't wait to show you guys what I came up with. So this is golden coconut curry Indian simmer sauce from Brooklyn Deli. It has turmeric, ginger, and lemon. So let's see what the back says. So it says to add 1 jar of our golden coconut curry to 1 pound sauteed and cubed protein or veggies. Add 1/4 cup of water or up to 1 cup of coconut milk and simmer. And we're gonna add salt to taste. So I'm gonna season everything at the end. I wanna see what the simmer sauce has to offer. So they suggest to serve with a dollop of plain yogurt and a spoon of Brooklyn Deli akar or chutney with rice or naan. I will make videos later on how to make naan and rice to go with this lovely dish. But for now, let's get into the dish itself. Now it's time to weigh our protein. So here I have a chicken thigh and leg. I'll throw it on the scale. Weighs in about 1 pound, 2 ounces, which I think that will still work for this recipe. I'm gonna throw some aromatics in there, some vegetables, a potato.
So in a hot pan, you're gonna add butter.
Now that our butter is a little brown, it means it's ready. So we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna go skin side down.
This is how we kill 2 birds with 1 stone. While your chicken is searing, this is the best time to prepare your vegetables. I'm just gonna medium dice this onion, and I'm also gonna do the same with the potato. To dice the potato, I like to go down the middle, and then I have the halves, and then I lay them on their sides, cut them into strips, and then I uniformly dice them all the same. In about 5 minutes is when you're gonna wanna flip your chicken. Now look at that beautiful sear. After 5 minutes on the other side, this is when I like to add the onions, the potatoes, and in my fridge I had some leftover peppers and mushrooms, so I added it to the pot. After you add the veggies, you're gonna wanna add a lid, which keeps the moisture in and creates natural juices. As you can see, the liquid falls right off of the lid. I'm gonna give everything a stir to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom, and it's time to add the simmer sauce. Now it's time to add the lid, and we're gonna let simmer for about 30 minutes. We're getting close to the finish line. This is when I like to add the coconut milk. I make sure that I stir everything together to incorporate, and then I let simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. I have to say, I'm extremely pleased with this recipe and how it came out. I did not even need to add any additional seasoning. Look how tender that chicken is. It's falling right off the bone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.